If you're on the lookout for a Linux distribution that feels a bit like Windows but is packed with the power of Linux, then AnduinOS 2.0 might just catch your attention. But is it really the best of both worlds, or just another distro in disguise? Let's find out. AnduinOS 2.0 is designed to deliver a Windows-like experience while running on a Linux backbone. It aims to provide familiarity for users transitioning from Windows, offering a clean, organized interface that's easy to navigate. Right off the bat, the aesthetic feels modern and user-friendly, with a desktop environment that resembles Windows, making it less intimidating for new users. The core functionality includes pre-installed software that covers everyday needs from productivity apps to multimedia tools. Plus, it boasts a package manager that simplifies software installation, which is a big plus for those who might not be tech-savvy. However, there are areas that seem a bit unclear. For instance, the documentation could use more depth, especially for users who might encounter issues during setup. Overall, while the interface is appealing, some features feel a bit underexplained, which might leave novice users feeling a little lost. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of AnduinOS 2.0. On the plus side, the Windows-like interface is a huge draw for those migrating from Windows, making the transition smoother. The pre-installed software is also a nice touch, allowing users to hit the ground running. However, there are some downsides. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, especially for new users who might need extra guidance. Additionally, some users may find that the performance isn't as optimized as other Linux distros, particularly on older hardware. Trust is another concern. While the distro shows promise, it's still relatively new, which might make some cautious about long-term support and updates. Overall, if you're looking for a user-friendly Linux experience, AnduinOS 2.0 might work well, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. In conclusion, AnduinOS 2.0 is worth considering if you're transitioning from Windows and want a familiar environment. However, if you're an advanced user seeking extensive customization or robust performance, you might want to explore alternatives. It has potential, but it's essential to weigh your options and expectations before diving in.